Which one of you out there has been waiting for months on end for us to put permanent access into the loft?
I have. So essentially, we're gonna go ahead and build another ladder made out of oak. If you see right here, this is our rail. It's gonna be on these rollers, and so we actually slide the ladder back and forth as we need it, if it's in the way or whatever have you. It would have been easier if I went ahead and put these on first, I think, and then put the rail up, but then I'd struggle even more on the rail, so. Now, time to build the ladder. Something like that. A little bit more of a pitch than the ladder is, which is easier for the kids. We just not have any problem. We'll slide it here, come to there, should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out right here, get it level, and have it straight across, and mark it, and I'm gonna cut it at that angle, and that's gonna be the angle cut that we're gonna use on for the floor for the feet, and also the pieces going up for the stairs. Go ahead and get another one and cut everything both the same size, and then we'll start building steps on it. Are you impressed, Chuck? Yeah, so just like that, we're actually gonna put the wheels down low. We'll bolt those on there, then we'll go ahead and mount them to the top where the rollers are at. And once that's done, we'll get them close, and we're just gonna, once it's up, we're gonna start building the ladder going up. I hope it works that way. First wheel's on.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
I thought he was gonna clean that up off the floor. Don't dare! Don't you
Clear
dare!
time. It's supposed to be really important. So we gotta go up there and screw this to that rail right there, or the track, or the wheels.
Yes.
We gotta make sure we have the same gap underneath. So it's not like this or like this. So I need all your concentration to look at that to make sure it's
I can't.
like this, you know what I mean? The floor with the
You're
ladder.
asking me to make sure something's level?
Yeah.
That's disastrous. This is not gonna work out very well. Let's have Chuck do it. Chuck has all the confidence to do the job, right, Chuck? You wanna inspect my work?
I mean, that.
Spot on.
It's not even close to be spot on, but not even close. Yeah, it's close, but it's not.
I think it looks good.
Good job, I appreciate your help. Chuck, you got next round, okay? First side's done, okay? It's pretty good. So we do the same thing on the second side, and once we get the first stair on there, we're gonna go ahead and make this thing stiff. It's gonna get erected, go up.
Stop.
What? We're erecting the thing. What's wrong with you today? I just don't. She heard.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I really am.
Got a way of keeping me up most nights. always worth the sleep I sacrifice. And love is too precious to trade for rested eyes. And you look beautiful in the morning light.
Good.
Well, I don't know how you feel the air in your lungs. 'Cause you could talk your way around the big old sun.
So how big do you want the stair to be? Or the step?
How wide?
Yes.
I
So the bottom of the ladder right there is 25 inches. If you, this right here is 24. So.
see. I was thinking. Let me take this off so you guys can see.
That there can probably be too wide, man.
Let me see. I was thinking of doing something more like this guy.
That
the
guy?
third step, right there. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't even be upset if it was like that. What do you have there?
Inside's 19 inches. Let's do that.
Let's step on it and see how it feels. Real quick.
I mean, it's fine.
Okay, so the third step up is what we're gonna go with.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this guy at 20 and a half. Because it's gonna take up 3/4 of an inch on each one.
Yeah.
With the part that comes down.
And the nice thing about this is that gives us plenty of room to pass by on either
Yeah.
side. So whether the ladder is scooted over this way, which is probably where it's mostly going to sit at, we have plenty of room to pass on the opposite side, and then same if we slide it over the other way.
Yes.
Versus going with the larger step at the bottom, which is really just kind of unnecessary. It's wasted space.
Correct.
Okay,
Easy.
good plan.
But I keep hoping that the end won't come running. I could listen to you all day long. And when the words run out along with our old age, I still hear you in many other ways. And if I fall blind, I will see you the same. I will always find a way to love you, babe. I will always find a way to love you, babe.
All the wood pieces that Josh just cut, we're going to be using as bracing that go underneath each of the steps. We're choosing to use wood, but we've seen that other people have used metal rods and different things like that as well.
Yeah, so if we're using the bracing, so each stair is held the entire way up from the bottom. So it's all, like the weight comes straight down
Yeah.
on all the steps with the bracing. Does that make sense?
Yes. Coming together. Looks good.
Yeah, keep going. And we have a ladder. I went through and drove pilot holes through the steps and put long screws in there to pretty much suck everything tight and give it some more rigidity.
Did you catch me putting it on classic white?
Yes, I want rainbow.
Is that better?
Yes.
All right.
Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was crazy.
Hey guys, come here, try this thing. It's done. It is sweet. You like it? That can be, dude.
Oh wow. What do you think?
This is nice.
You like it?
That's nicer.
Oh yeah. We're gonna build handrails too, and I'm of course gonna stain it, but we're not done yet.
No,
But
but
we're getting there. It's pretty
I got on
exciting.
it. This doesn't flex. Things stout as can be.
Yes.
Yeah, things good. It's a
I
good
love
shape.
it. All right, let's peel these stickers off, and should I stain?
Yes.
Okay.
Start
Yes.
with what?
Pencil. Works just fine, Josh.
Usually a stick. I don't stain. I watch. That's why I supervise.
He doesn't stain wood. He just stains his pants.
Okay. It's not true. You're full of lies. You know, full of lies.
What the? I got breakfast.
Sure, you stirred that.
Yes, I stirred it for a long time. Why? It looks great.
Looks too late.
It's semi-transparent, babe. Remember? It's not the solid.
Forgot.
Did you tell them we couldn't find that?
Yeah, last video. We can't find the standard.
That's not semi-transparent. Of the early Americans, what we used everywhere in the...
You can have it.
And you can't find any standard early American anywhere. All it is semi-transparent. We went through that problem staining the entire house. We went through like 10 different Lowe's and we figured it out. We found it enough. We bought it all and now we're out of it and I can't find it anywhere.
Yes.
What if we can find it on Amazon, you think?
I already looked. I think they stopped making it. I really do. Worst case scenario, I'll stain it the first time, Josh will stain it the second and third time. You know? Works out.
Not true. Again, more lies, Aaron.
Good job. Look at you. Look at you with the cinematic camera movement, Josh.
I've been practicing.
Who trained you? Oh, that's right, I did.
You trained a lot of people, Aaron.
The stain's done. It looks amazing. Mark, you sent Josh the most amazing package.
I had one already, but I couldn't taste it though. It's unfortunate, so I'll save them.
He is loaded on Little Debbie's. He's absolutely thrilled. It is powering him through yet another project.
Yes.
And now you have the motivation to go ahead and start the railing. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we eat another one. I'm taking a nap.
It's time to get going. The way it's showing, this world is yours and mine. Change is coming, so let the sun in. Life's running right, life's running right on time. Just before you say goodnight, kiss your mom and hold on tight. And at the end of every day, don't regret a thing you say. There's time to get going, just take it slow. All else will work out fine.
Nice touch.
Using some pipe and rail supports, Josh built handrails for the loft ladder, the final piece to complete this much overdue project. With each task that gets knocked off our to-do list, Josh adds more and more character and warmth to our home. As my dad would say, all good things come in time. For us, it took 2.5 years to get here, but this year we will get to have Christmas in the home that we built together. So it looks like for us, life is running right on time.
Life's running right on time.